Okay, we're back again with Martin Safety Solutions. Little tips on how to do the math in regards to lanyards and fall arrest. There's different type of lanyards on the market. There's the retractable lanyards and so forth. But for today's purposes, let's stick with a straight lanyard. We'll talk about the retractables at another time. Of course, these lanyards here come in different lengths. They come in 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, and 6 foot. The general do-all is the 6 foot. This is what just about all companies have. So pose a question here. If you're going to be up working 15 feet, we know we have to have a lanyard of some sort. But would the 6 foot lanyard be the one to choose? The answer to that is no. Why? It's because you have to do the math. Your body length, approximately 6 feet. The lanyard, 6 feet. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then in this little bag here are sewn together with Kevlar threads about 3.5 feet of extra lanyard. So if you add that all together, you're up 15 feet, 6 foot body length, 6 foot lanyard, 3.5 foot of deployment from this deceleration device. That adds up to 15.5 feet. So if you wore a 6 foot lanyard for a 15 foot height and you fail, we're talking about, ankle fractures. You're still hitting the ground. So more than likely, you would want to choose a 4 foot lanyard. So just remember, anytime you're climbing at height and you have to wear, for whatever reason, a straight lanyard, which are still admissible, do the math.